I found it. The MK4 Supra. We're going to bring it back. There you are. This thing has been here for decades. Engine seized. Everything in here is a rebuild. She's been sitting here since 2001. I always knew someone would come for her. She deserves better than this place. Best $35,000 I've ever spent. Okay, she's positioned. Send the crane arm down. She's worse than the photos. Welcome to HM Workshop. This is going to take a few passes. Every time you clean it, it just gets uglier. That's how you know the damage is real. There's actual soil in here. It was growing plants. She's ready for surgery. Half these connectors are fused from corrosion. We're going to need the entire new harness. She's out. 2JZ is in the air. Gearbox is seized internally too. This is a full rebuild. Nothing salvageable here. Full seat replacement both sides. This bolt's fused solid. Careful now. Got it. Hose clamps off. Good. Let's see what we're working with. Intake's clear. Moving to the head. All right, that's the block cleaned. What's the verdict on that rod? Looks good, no cracks. I'm checking this piston next. Good, let's keep pushing. We need this running by next week. Now we bring back the shine and precision. Shaft is gone. New cartridge going in. We're rebuilding this turbo completely. All new valves, springs, and seals. We're building this head to last another 30 years. Every synchro is new. Shift quality on this box is going to be perfect. Crank spins clean. Perfect bearing clearance. Watch this legend come back to life in seconds. Look at this. Completely destroyed inside. New units for both sides. One down, 3 to go. Full stainless brake line set, front and rear. Zero flex. perfect pedal feel. That wheel looks incredible on this car. Wait until you see all four on. Clean penetration. Let's do the next section. Subframe is solid. No cracks, no rot through. This is our foundation. Give it 20 minutes and we block sand. Then we'll know if the shape is right. Every panel is guide coat clean. She's ready for bare metal inspection before primer. Old paint is completely gone. Clean metal everywhere. Primer goes on today. Look at that. Brand new brakes front and rear. Zero fade potential on this setup. Dash is completely shot. Foam is disintegrated. Full replacement. High poly bushings all around. This suspension is going to feel brand new on the road. Poly bushings all around. This suspension is going to feel brand new on the road. Full hand-cut leather. Every stitch by hand. These seats are going to look museum quality. Carpet's in. Pull it forward a bit on your side. There. Perfect. Glass is running clean, no noise, no binding. Perfect fit. Feels like it belongs here. Cluster is in. Fire up the main power and check all gauges illuminate. This is where the real transformation begins. Engine going in, lower it slow. Clear is flowing beautifully. This is going to be a mirror finish. That is a perfect finish. Every panel, perfect. Almost there. One more day and she's done. She's alive! 20 years and she just woke up. 30 years old and feels like it was built yesterday. This is what 30 years waiting for the right hands feels like. Shifts are clean, power is strong, turbo is building perfectly. We might never build another one like this. I've never seen one. She's perfect. Look at the stitching on that seat. That's all done by hand. Everything on this car is by hand. 3 months of work, every single component touched. This engine is better than factory. Here are the final details. The figures at the bottom. She's worth every cent. She's mine now.